And of course, today we have a new guest, and I'm sure not the last time she'll be on this show, because you should see her resume. It is quite outstanding. We have Laura Dietz with Summit Realty, and she is the principal broker and founder of the Laura Dietz team, and has been in the industry out here for 20 plus years in the real estate industry, here to share with us her expertise and her great stories of what's going on in this market today. And thank you for being with us, Laura.
Thank you. Our market is always changing. I do foreclosures, short sales, modifications, and conventional. What really bothers me is the new HARP program, because so many of my clients and people, you try to get your home modified. They tell you, we can't talk to you until you're late in your payments. So they're late in their payments. Then you do 147 pieces of paper just to get the loan modified. No, that's not acceptable to them. You can have cancer, a real major hardship. They don't modify. When they do, they're not real motivated because they have insurance on the loan. So what's their advantage? I have families. This is their home. They can't get an affordable loan. The HARP program, how does it work? I don't think it's going to work all that great.
Yeah, I definitely don't think it's going to work on that way. And I see why it bothers you, because it does feel like a little bit of a slap in the face. You know, it's that for the people that are having a hard time and a hardship, you know, as far as modifications, they're not working out anymore. I mean, we heard of some great modifications 2 years ago when WAMU was going under, and, you know, when Wachovia went under. But now that the bank's balance sheets look good, fat chance you're going to get a real modification that's worth anything to you.
So what other options are there, Laura?
Well, short sales. And short sales, it's really hard when a family has, this is their home. Children live there, they have pets, and they put their sweat into this home. And they don't have anywhere to go. The market, they can't afford a $500,000, $600,000 mortgage when the house is only worth $250,000. So what do? With most of the lenders that I work with, the big banks here in Santa Clarita area, they allow them to do a short sale. We price the house to sell. They're able to stay in it, which helps the lender, helps them. They are the deciding factor on whether or not the short sale offer is accepted. If it is, I take it to the lender. The lender approves it. There's no out-of-pocket for the seller of the home, the owner of the home. They also get relocation money. This helps them because you don't want a foreclosure on your credit. If you're going to have to move out of your home, do short sale. It doesn't impact that much, and we can help you get into another home. It's really a win-win situation, and we're seeing them. The banks are really approving them. But you have to be realistic. You can't ask. I've had one of the clients ask me to overprice a house. I want to stay in it and live in it for another year, and you can't do that. We price it for the market, and it has to be amicable for everybody.
Yeah, that's solid advice from Laura Dietz with Summit Realty. She's on our show today, an expert in her field, and also